Hi, it's Amanda, the Nail Polish Hound, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be opening my Christmas parcel from Nika of Nika's Naughty Nails. It is the middle of the day and also there's a lot of traffic going past, so if you can hear that in the background, I apologise for that. Christmas traffic and all. So first of all, we've got a card here and I'm going to open that off camera. And lots of packing and a little Christmas box. So let's get rid of the packing first of all. I will recycle that, of course. Right, what should we start off with? The little Merry Christmas box, I think. Ooh. I see nail stamping plates. Nika does know that I love stamping. So we've got a lovely holographic stamping plate holder. Camera stopped filming there for a second for some reason. So I already have one of these. I think they're a really useful size, so for keeping the square plates in, I do like these. So that's going to be very useful. And then we have got some stamping plates. Excuse the voice as well, still getting over the cold. See that one? That is one that I do not have. Very cute. I am going to be next year doing more of my stamping plate collection videos if people are interested in that. And you have to excuse the state of my cuticles. It's cold here and my skin does dry and crack quite easily. So that's that one. And more. Oh my goodness, look at the number of these. Nika has spoilt me. So this is 008. That's another one I don't have. Okay, if you can see that. Another Christmas plate. And I've just done 2 Christmas plate videos as well. Okay, and another one. Okay. Again, more Christmas images. Very sweet. I like the little nighttime images across the top there. They're nice. And another one. Oh. Again, another Christmassy one. Oh, I love this little image. I've seen loads of people using that one. He's very cute. Let me show you in close up. If I can, get the camera to focus in close up. There you go. They are lovely. Wow. And then we've got a load of nail stickers, again all Christmassy ones. Very pretty. Look at that, how cute is he? Wow. That is lovely. Right, so that's that box. Oh my goodness. What have we got here? We have got nail and cuticle hand mask. I've never used anything like this, so I'm really interested to give this one a try. Fantastic. Excuse the voice. And a face one as well. Again, not tried this either. So yeah, gonna give this a go, see if it can tighten up my face. Right, and then we have some nail polish. I'm going to leave those till last, of course, because you know I like to do that. Another face mask. This one looks like it's got coconut in it, so I'm going to pass that one on to a friend because I'm actually allergic to coconut, but I will find somebody who can enjoy this, don't worry. Alright, so wow, having just counted my nail polishes, I have got 4 more to add to that number. So first of all, we've got this Cuccio, and this is in the colour Branch Out, if you can see that. There we go. That's that one. Ooh, that's pretty. It's a painted polish. I've only got one of theirs, or I did have only one of theirs. That is very pretty, very unusual. And it is called, if I can get the camera to focus again, Mermaid Melody. Very pretty. Needs a bit of a shake, as these polishes often do. And this looks like a Emily de Molly. I recognise the box. Okay, Expert Opinion, Magnetic Emily de Molly. Ooh, that does look stunning. The Expert Opinion, it said on the box. Hold on, I'm gonna go and get a magnet so I can show you what this one looks like. All right, so here we go. See what that magnetic finish looks like. Very pretty. So on the side we can see it a bit better. Very pretty indeed. Look at that. That is gorgeous. And last but not least, this is a brand that is new to me. It's Nailberry. Beautiful orangey red. It's quite a classic red actually. And it's called Pop My Berry. Beautiful. Alright, so there we go. Nail polish, tons of stamping plates, and some face and hand masks from Nika for Christmas. Thank you ever so much, Nika. I'm really looking forward to seeing you again, hopefully PolishCon UK next year, and if not before that, when I come to visit Cornwall again next year in July. So thanks everyone for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Go and have a look at Nika's page, have a look at her Instagram, and have a look at her YouTube channel. She does some beautiful nail art and has got the most gorgeous shaped nails. So thanks for watching, and I hope I will see you in the next one.